Learn how to clear Steam download cache and junk files easily on your PC by watching this video till the end. Hey, you are watching Silicophilic, the home of all tech solutions. Clearing Steam download cache and junk files is an easy process. Just follow the steps as we have shown here and you will be able to do it with ease. Before we begin, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also, like this video if it helps you solve this issue. So, let's begin. Open the Steam app on your PC. Click on the Steam option on the top left corner. Select Settings from the pop-up menu. Now, select Downloads from the new window. On the right side, you will find the Clear Download Cache option. Click on it and select Yes. Once you have done it, you will have to log in into your Steam account again. Clearing Steam download cache does not affect the installed games or their save files. So, you don't need to worry about losing any progress. So, that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.